coming with a thumping victory for Calcutta.
Oh, you are asking about.
Yeah, since you are in charge of.
First of all, thank you very much for inviting this beautiful CSR conclave. All your conclaves are very good and excellent. Calcutta, the election in West Bengal is not election for West Bengal. Rather, it is for national security. It is the election for the Indian Bharatiyata, Bharatiya nationalism, and it is for the each and every citizen security of Bharat. We are born and brought up in Bharat. We got independence in 1947, but these outsiders are encroaching so much of India that we are suffering a lot. Thanks to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, thanks to our Home Minister, that now Bharat has become a Naxal-free country. After lots of struggle, the Naxalites are removed. Now I think the second, next to Naxalite, the most dangerous now is there in West Bengal. It has become Dharmashala. It has become Dharmashala. India has become Dharmashala. All Bangladeshi, Rohingya, hospital, wherever you find it, they get a place in Bharat. That this is a place, West Bengal. So many people are coming to Murshidabad. Then they are getting the certificate, means Aadhaar card, then ration card, then voter list. Like this, they are coming and they are going migrating to other parts of this country. They are just a cancer. They have captured it. So, Honorable Prime Minister has taken a big drive, and Home Minister has taken a big drive in implementing SIR in this country. That is a big drive. That there is a feeling of each and every individual that we are for our country. The intruders or other country people, Bangladeshi, Rohingya, whatever, they should not take part of our lives. They should not take power our land, and they should not threat to our life. So now this feeling has come in each and every part of West Bengal. If you feel, so now Jalan is there, we should vote for BJP, vote for Modi ji.
So you are coming with thumping victory.
So we are definitely coming on thumping victory.
Many congratulations, sir. So let's come back to
Thank you.
Let's come back to your constituency. You represent Jajpur district. That's indeed it's a industrial based constituency. There are several industry corridors like Kalinganagar, Tata Steel, lot of industrial houses are there. Are you happy the way they are carrying forward the initiative programs in CSR? Is it really impacting the people on the ground?
Very sorry to say, before our double engine Sarkar, before 2024, we are not aware what CSR was there. So many industries were there, they are captured by 1 or 2%. And CSR was driven by them. So I feel there is no CSR activities in...
At all, before that?
Before that. Now, when I have analyzed and asked the parliament question also regarding this, now so many things have been expanded. So many things has been spent. Where it is spent, there is no visibility. Where it is coming, there is no transparency. So now we are trying that. At least we have already, our Honorable Chief Minister addressed with these industry heads. So at least CSR should be, there should be transparency, area should be identified. Now they have identified the localized area, just like Sukinda, Danagodi area, some portion of Dharmashala, CSR, all funding of CSR should be spent in that locality, not that other part.
Peripheral
So we hope that it will go on well.
So there is one thing need of the hour is a transparency in the utilizing the funds of CSR. Best way to pick up the things in CSR to bring transparency in terms of utilizing the funds of CSR.
Definitely, because CSR means a corporate social responsibility where society needs for the CSR funding, needs for development, the CSR should take up.
Sir, for your kind of information, last year only Odisha gets 20,000 to 25,000 crore, but still they all are lying unutilized in your tenure. So what sort of message you want to say to the bureaucrat and many people actually need to be very taken care, utilize the all funds that will actually help the people below poverty line, all community, unprivileged people. So 1,000 crore. Last time we received Odisha as a CSR fund. Many of the funds have been unutilized last year.
CSR, the major bottleneck, I can say that is bureaucratic hassle. Just like government sector, bureaucratic obstructions are there, but in CSR, that should not be there. Industry should come up openly for this bureaucratic thing. Second, those are implementing it, they should come up in an open mind that I will make some development in the particular area or that area. Then only this can be done. So I hope for in future it will be
Positive, very confident. You are confident. very
Confident.
much confident. Let us come back. Two key factors that redefine the structure of CSR ecosystem in Odisha.
Yes, CSR is basically first of thing, as you sell in industry or mining sector, first they give for environment, but they should also take care of local area development in terms of health and other related activities.
Overall growth, sir. Overall growth.
Right.